In this video, we will talk about the very beautiful hanging plant. The name is Parrot Beak plant. I will discuss with you the characteristics and care. Parrot's beak is stunning tropical flower that acts as a ground cover and trailing plant. With lacy silver foliage on graceful stems. These plants work as backdrops in the garden. During seasons, in cool nights, the plants boast curved blooms in all the shades of sunset, including deep reds, oranges, and yellows. A low-maintenance plant hardy in zone 10 to 11. It's grown as an annual or perennial, depending on the region. How often to water the parrot beak? Parrot beak needs 0.8 cups of water every 12 days when it doesn't get direct sunlight and is potted in the 5-inch pot. Use your water calculator to personalize watering recommendations to your environment. When it's an outdoor plant, you have to water and give the plant the period of dry first before you water again. Yellow leaves and dry soil signal overwatering. Crispy leaves mean underwatering. Bright indirect light and stable between 68 to 80 degree F are ideal for parrot beak plants. Inspect for pests regularly and use natural or chemical treatments if necessary. The characteristics. The parrot beak plant, scientifically known as Lotus Berthelotii, is a stunning perennial species native to Canary Islands. This plant is prized for its unique and vibrant flowers and resemble the beak of the parrot, hence the name. Here are some of the key characteristics. First, flowers. The flowers are tubular, bright red or orange, and curved, mimicking the shape of the parrot's beak. They typically bloom in late spring to early summer. Second, foliage. The plant has fine, silvery, gray, needle-like leaves that soft to the touch. The foliage provides an attractive backdrop for the vibrant flowers. Third, growth habit. Parrot beak is a trailing plant, making it excellent for hanging baskets, containers, or as ground cover. It can grow up to 2 feet in length. Fourth, size. Generally, the plant reaches a height of 6 to 12 inches and spread about 2 to 3 feet wide. How to care? Caring for the parrot beak plant involves providing conditions that mimic its native habitat. Here are some detailed care instructions. Light. The plant thrives in full sun to partial shade. It requires at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day to produce abundant flowers. In hottest climates, some afternoon shade can be beneficial. Soil. Well-drained soil is crucial. Parrot beak prefers sandy or loamy soil with good drainage to prevent root rot. It does not thrive in heavy clay soil. Watering. Regular watering is important, especially during the growing season. However, the soil should be allowed to dry out slightly between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Fourth, temperature and humidity. This plant enjoys warm temperatures and is not frost tolerant. It can be grown outdoors in the USDA hardiness zone 9 to 11. In cooler climates, it can grow as an annual or brought indoors during winter. Fertilization. Feed the plant with a balanced water-soluble fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season. Over-fertilization should be avoided as it reduces flowering. Pruning. Pruning is not usually necessary, but trimming back any leggy growth can help maintain a compact shape and encourage bushier growth. Propagation. Parrot beak can be propagated from cutting. Take softwood cutting in spring or early summer, dip them in rooting hormone, and plant them in a moist, well-drained soil mix. By providing the right conditions, the parrot beak plant can thrive and bring a vibrant splash of color to the gardens and containers. Its unique appearance and cascading growth habit make it popular choice among garden enthusiasts. I have tried to plant this plant several years in a row and it's have not doing real well for me. So I'm still learning and I hope that this video will help you and me to take care of this precious plant. Thank you so much